Given are statements for certain thermodynamic variables. A. Internal energy, volume and mass are extensive variables. So first we have to know the extensive variables. What are extensive variables? Extensive variables are those which depends on the mass, volume, size of the body. So here in A, internal energy depends on size, volume V and mass M are all independent of mass, volume or size. So in these are extensive variables. So A is true. Now B, pressure, temperature and density are intensive variables. So pressure does not depend on the size, temperature also does not depend on the size of the body, density does not depend on the size, density is mass divided by volume, mass is extensive, volume is extensive, but they cancel, so density is independent of the size. So B is also true, that is these are independent of the size of the body, so these are intensive variables, so B is correct. Now C, volume, temperature and density are intensive variables. No, volume is not an intensive variables, so volume is extensive, so C is not true. Mass, temperature and internal energy are extensive variables. Mass is extensive but temperature is not, so temperature is intensive, so D is not correct. So A and B are correct only. So now we check the options A and B. So which choose the correct answer? So the correct answer is A and B, that is option 3. So here option 3 is the correct answer, that is A and B. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.